Welcome back to Ricksaw. On today's exciting episode, I'm going to show you how I built this tool cubby that you see behind me with only a few simple tools. That's right, no router for cutting grooves, simple assembly, and it's lightweight enough for me to move by myself and put on top of my storage drawers. Let me throw you into a time lapse and show you how I did it. Just finished up the pin nailing of all of the slats in place, okay? Now these slats are gonna be where all of the dividers register, okay? So you can see those running like this. It is a little bit flimsy right now, but I think once we get everything in place, it will button up really nice. Okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to flip the top on these uprights, okay? And hopefully it holds, right? All right, so now that I have it somewhat set up, I'm going to go ahead and place a few more of these dividers just to keep it stable while I work on gluing everything up and getting the backer board on. On this end is a groove left over. And so what I'm going to do is register one of the dividers in that groove, and that is going to be my dimensioning divider, okay? I'm going to mark where my dividers are so I don't actually hit one. And then if I need to come around and move a divider, because it's not registering high enough to make it square, I'll just do that. Okay. Perfect. Okay, here we go. All right, what I've done here is glued and nailed the back on. I'm going to leave these supports here, but I'm just going to pull them away so that they don't get stuck from the glue, okay? And then I'll go back, clean that up when it's close to dry.